To enable Scene Optimizer feature on the Camera app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Under Intelligent Feature section, tap Intelligent Optimization. To be able to use Scene Optimizer feature, you have to set the quality optimization to maximum. Now, tap the gray on offset next to Scene Optimizer until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When Scene Optimizer feature is on, your phone will automatically optimize the color and contrast of pictures so that the dark scene will look brighter, the full will look tastier, and landscape will look more vivid. However, you have to remember that this setting only affects to those photos taken with photo mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.